A very warm welcome to everyone in MSc Part 2nd, Semester 1st in Department of Botany at KTHM College, Nasik. Firstly, I would introduce myself to you all. I am Mukta Bhamre. My educational qualification is MSc NET SET B.Ed. Along with me, you are here to study the course number first, the subject BOUT 231 Computational Botany. Hereby, we begin with our first chapter, Introduction to Statistics. Belong to credit first, basic biostatistics. Before starting our chapter number first, let us take a quick view of the first two credit in computational botany syllabus. Credit number first, basic biostatistics. In this credit, there are two chapters are included. Chapter first, Introduction to Statistics. Chapter second, Correlation and Regression. Credit number second, Experimental Statistics, in which three chapters are included. Chapter first, Statistics using different softwares. Chapter second, Testing of Hypothesis, Tukey's test, Dunant test and Mann-Whitney U-test. Chapter number 3, Testing of Hypothesis, P-value, chi-square test and t-test. Now we are start our chapter number first, Introduction to Statistics. From credit number first, the name of the core credit is Basic Biostatistics. The word statistics, it is derived from different languages. The Italian word statistics means the statement. The German word statistics, that means political state. Statistics was originally developed to help the government in collection of revenue for meeting expenditure. The administration of state required the collection and analysis of data of population, aggregate of individual and wealth. The statistics deals with the obtaining insight or knowledge into the real world by means of the analysis of numerical relationships. Definition of statistics in various textbooks by various authors given the different definitions of statistics. I mention here the few definitions of statistics. Firstly, we see the very simple definition of statistics. Statistic is defined as the collection, classification, presentation, analysis and interpretation of observational data. Second definition, according to Croxton and Cowden, statistic is the science and arts of dealing with figures and facts. The third definition, according to the Seligman, statistic is the science which deals with methods of collecting, classifying, presenting, comparing, and interpreting of numerical data. The next, biostatistics. Biostatistic, it is applied branch of the statistics, and it is the branch of statistics applied to biological or medical sciences. Biostatistics is the method used in dealing with statistics in the field of biological sciences such as health sciences, medical science, plant science, animal science, and agriculture, etc. Biostatistics, it is also known as biometrics. Biometrics, it is the term used when tools of statistics are applied to the data that is derived from biological sciences such as medicine, agriculture, botany, and zoology. Next, we can focus on scope, application, and uses of statistics in biology. The first of all, we can see the genetics, the scope and application and uses of statistic in genetics. In genetics, biostatistic has a very good scope and importance in the qualitative and quantitative genetics. The inheritance of qualitative characters is analyzed by using the probability, while the quantitative characters is analyzed by using correlation and regression method of biostatistics. Then biostatistics or biometry is also very useful in estimation of gene frequency and genotype frequency. Then chi-square test is the most widely used test in interpreting genetic experiment, specifically in the detection of single factor ratios, linkage, and heterogeneity. Then second branch of biology, that is physiology. We focus the scope and application and uses of statistic in physiology. In biological sciences, various metabolic activities are regulated by the number of factors. Some of the factors shows the linear relationships can be estimated by correlation coefficient. The statistical method can be used to estimate the germination rate of seeds, then rate of photosynthesis, productivity rate of the plants, productivity of particular alkaloids can be calculated by using the various statistical methods. Then we can see the next, scope and application uses of statistic in ecology. The statistical methods are widely used in the vegetation studies, especially estimating the frequencies, abundance, distribution, density of particular plant species or animal group in a geographical areas. The biometry, it is also used to estimate the biodiversity index of particular locality. The scope, some statistical methods also help to forecast the incidences of epidemic, the rate of accumulation of different pollutants in the ecosystem. Then next, scope and application, uses of statistic in the field of taxonomy. The traditional methods are classifying a particular taxa or a plant species due to the insufficient knowledge about the affinity or similarity index. The numerical taxonomy deals with the numerical evaluation of the similarities or affinities between the taxonomic units. Based on such a quantification, the indices like coefficient of association and correlation can be estimated, and these coefficients are employed in the taxonomic studies. The next we can focus on molecular biology. Biostatistical methods are very useful method for determination of nucleotide sequences or the gene locations on a DNA. Then medical sciences to define normal or healthy in the population and to find out limit of normality in a variables such as weight and pulse rate. The mean pulse rate is 72 minutes 72 per minute, but up to the what extent the limit may be normal or either side of mean has been decided on the basis of statistical technique. Then next, agriculture. The sound statistical procedure or methods are needed in agriculture for design the various experiment as well as for analysis of data. The incorrect projections regarding the future demand of a crop or crops affect the whole economy. To make sound projections, agriculture economists seek help from the statistical forecasting procedure. Agriculture engineering use a statistical procedures in a many areas such as irrigation practices, then research, then mode of cultivation of different crop plants, design of harvesting, etc. All these are the scope, application and uses of the statistics in the field of biology. Then next we can focus on the important terms used in biostatistics. The first, variable or variates. The characteristics that is being measured in the given statistical study is known as variable. These variables are two types. First, qualitative variable, and second, quantitative variable. Firstly, we see here the qualitative variable. Individuals are separated or distinguished by some quality or attributes known as qualitative attributes. For example, flower color, hair color, seed coat color, or eyes color, etc. The second, quantitative variable. Individuals are separated or distinguished by a measurement or count as a quantitative characters. For example, height of plant, yield of crop, number of seed per pods, etc. The next term, population, the group of items or objects about which we want to obtain information is known as population. Then next term, sample. A sample is a group of objects taken from population for examination. The next term, primary data. Primary data, the data which are collected by an investigator for the first time for the specific purpose are called primary data. It is also known as raw data. The next term is the secondary data. If data are collected and used by any other agency at least once, then such data is a term as secondary data. The next term is attributes. The characters which is a non-measurable and even not expressed numerically in a unit known as attributes. For example, flower color, eyes color, etc. The next term is error, or it is also called as statistical error. A deviation or divergence from accuracy is called statistical error, or it is a difference between observed value and true value known as statistical error. Then next, the expected questions arises on this topic. The question number first, what is a statistic? Give the scope, application and uses of the statistic in a biological sciences. It is a long answer question. Then question number second, define the terms. The first, variable, then B, attributes, C, population, D, sample, E, qualitative variable, F is statistical error. Thank you.